Hot pot time.
These are so good.
Coming from that huge camera is kind of weird. This is so tiny.
Wait, so maybe you should take like picture of this
Oh.
and then like take another one after it's chopped.
How's two
Okay.
of these? Do we usually do more than that?
Yeah, I think 2 is okay because we have all the other veggies too.
Okay.
Do you
We
get
wanna
all the
keep
other
the skin,
veggies?
right?
Here, I'll bring all the other veggies that should be chopped. Bok choy. Oh, all the herbs. No marijuana though. Sorry, Brenda.
In fact, I'm glad there's no. No, I think it was just like one. You want me to chop?
Rangiri. You cut it in half and then you just do quart.
So like diagonal.
Yeah. You want to show him, Juliet, because he's such a poor baby.
PS4. He just really likes Xbox.
When I was little, my mom used to shoot so many home videos, and this kind of reminds me of it.
PS4. And my parents said that was like me, and then second child last, and the third child. I'm trading in my Xbox.
Oh, you're the oldest?
Yeah.
Ooh. Oh my god, it smells like yeast here.
Are these older?
Yeah. You think this is enough mushrooms?
Yes. Why would she get?
Probably.
I like
Or
my
is it too
PS4
much?
more than-
No, that's good.
Oh,
Okay.
no, okay, let me rephrase that. My favorite games are PS4 games.
Mushrooms are good.
I mean,
Brenda, would you like another bun? Would you like another bun?
Yes, it would.
These buns are good.
Your buns are nice.
Which buns? This bun? My head bun? My
I'm
butt
going to
bun?
LA on Saturday, so if you need anything, let me know.
Okay. Yay! Where is the hot pot? I'll make the broth.
I mean, it is.
The chopped like
Oh my god, wait, this potatoes in the pot, right?
Yeah.
I like the wine glasses.
Okay, I'll just add it there. Watch your head, Juliet, or else you have to pay 25 cents.
Huck hit it earlier,
Hot 25 cents.
like 5 minutes ago.
I think Reg hit it earlier
No, I
too.
didn't. No, it was
What?
you.
Oh, how are you gonna prove that, huh?
I witnessed it.
I witnessed you hitting it
You
too.
hit it.
This is not true.
This is true.
When Brenda came in, I think you hit it.
I definitely. I'm admitting to hitting it the other night, though. What is this?
Admitting to hit it
Tofu.
tonight? Huh?
What is it marinated in?
Oh, it's
I also bring food.
Oh.
You can't say we.
Oh.
You've been here for like not even a week.
Oh, I mean, yeah, but I've cooked every meal.
What?
Have I not?
no, you haven't.
Oh, okay. Well then, that's the case. Okay, how do you want me to cut
don't
this?
feed me, I don't eat. That's the issue.
Cut, wash them and then slice.
Like slice like this?
You can also slice the onion.
Okay.
Well,
Oh,
oh no, Juliet, I
Like
forgot
many
the
others
noodles.
Are just kind of for kids, you know?
As long as we have some noodles.
Okay, I feel bad. Okay, we can make it next time. We have so many hot pot bases.
He talks about how he needs
Go, Juliet.
how thin for the onion. His film.
Slice.
Oh.
Which is why he has so many Diced shots or of just
like-
like
Sliced?
Okay.
Or diced, up to you.
Oh.
Depending on how you lazy you are.
Like, does thinness matter? Or?
No, not really. It'll just dissolve and make the broth more fragrant.
Never really paid attention to art, so I couldn't understand.
Are tomatoes and onions added at the same time or no?
Yeah, because they melt really quickly. These are...
It definitely does look bad pretty often. Wait, should I chop off this part? Like the
No,
end
you
part?
could add it to it.
Or do they just the end?
The end part.
Yeah, if you want, but it's edible because it's gonna melt in the hot
Taking a
pot.
man,
And what else here
You
needs to
know.
be chopped?
there's a reason.
The bok choy should be like peeled open. It doesn't have to be chopped, but it should be washed. This one should be like just the edge cut. The heat.
I turned it off.
Okay.
So I could get all of the tofu on first.
I'm like, did you pull an Andrew again?
You think Mama shall be proud
I'm
of
not
you
that
making
dumb.
avocado?
I just don't want them to cook at different
Yes.
time rates.
I'm gonna put these on the same plate so they'll take up less space.
Such disgrace.
She, in fact, my mom doesn't get roast though. We have like a roast that.
Go back to just mean like separate all the.
Yeah.
Yes. Yes. I didn't even look. I just said yes.
Too thick?
Honestly, it will be fine, but if you can you do it thinner?
My gosh.
So
You got this.
Isn't it like you added all these kind of later vegetables in one bag and then you just dump? Is that what you did last time?
Yeah, but or we can make it pretty for a photo and like do them on their individual plates. Here, I'll get a plate for it. Cause that's
So
what
much
we.
more dishes.
I'm Red doing the dishes. It's okay.
So much more.
Ryan, Brenda, and Ray. And Ray. Here you go. I mean, we have gloves now. I could also help with dishes.
Wait, do you want mushroom on there too?
Yes, please.
Portobello, baby bella.
Shiitake is too expensive in SB.
Yeah.
Ray, can you clear the table?
You know how pathetic I feel when like I say some like I wanna refer to some Japanese word, but then like I have to say it in, or I do say it in like some English accent. You know.
Ray, did you go to lab today?
Just for people.
Well, I'm so glad you did not in fact stalk my
There's a lot of words that I forget in English.
Huh?
My mom would probably in fact
other
stalk my
languages do you speak?
location.
Why would I do that? That's not
Growing up, I
respecting
always
your
trusted my
privacy.
grandmother. So like,
Bro,
I
that's
can't
what I
remember
told
like
you.
half of the spices in English because she always told me them in Punjabi. So
Wait,
it's, like,
what did you
so
say?
weird. Punjabi.
What language is like what?
Punjabi? That's what my grandmother speaks.
Oh.
So like, I grew up cooking in that language, so it's difficult for me to speak in English.
Can toy came up.
Yeah, come over.
What the asshole?
Where have you been?
Okay, bye-bye.
I'm
Oh,
in
look,
traffic.
upset mom sound.
Oh, Amy is also coming.
What?
Oh, she told us about the meteor
Sick.
shower.
Bro, okay, I mean, okay. Why do you keep adding people without leaving it?
I'm sorry.
You're just inviting everyone to me.
Well, actually, Amy didn't know if she was coming, so that's why I didn't say. But now she is, and I'll tell you.
What?
Because she had a meeting.
So what did you say gets cut off here? The brown part?
Yeah, and then rinse off the dirt.
Just like that much?
Yeah, you can compost it. We eat veggies to grow big and strong here.
Not right.
You're fucking joking. Sent a picture of Shokugeki to Kuroshi.
So you just
Answers
break
back
off
saying
the leaves.
Corn, question
Okay.
mark.
Like to where?
To the compost.
say yes.
Keep the leaves, but compost the
I mean-
stems because it's a bit woody.
Yes.
Woody,
Hi, Raining.
there's a snake in my boot.
That's dangerous.
Did nobody get that?
Ha 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 ha. Now for the broth. Wait for it to boil. I'm so excited for cilantro.
That's the broth.
Yes, ma'am. Oh, can you get the coconut milk from the fridge, please?
The fridge.
Yes, ma'am.
Where is she? Oh, there she is. Oh my god, that smells so good already.
I don't understand why this is so expensive.
I didn't know that people put goji berries in hot dogs.
My mom buys a whole pack.
Really? Is this sauteed enough? Like this seasoning?
Oh no, it should be fried.
No, I meant like, is it flavorful enough?
That's a good point. We should try it.
Wait, what?
I will taste test.
How is there's no way this is fake.
And this is the second time it's used.
But this is mint, right?
That's light as heck.
It doesn't taste very much.
Should we add stuff to this after we fry it off the way?
What should we add?
I am going to leave to the lab.
Wait,
We
what?
haven't even eaten yet.
Wait, why?
I will be right back.
Can you promise?
She's got it on camera.
If he doesn't cookie promise correctly, Rush, he owes me boba. Wait, we didn't give him a time frame.
Oh yeah, tell him.
Ray. You have to be back. What time is it?
7:55.
You have to be back by 8:30.
Rash cooking the tofu. Selene
I'm really just trying to cook.
making the soup.
I'm really just trying to cook.
Check it was cut.
The vegetables are being chopped. Some people not doing work, just relaxing.
Yeah.
Is it like the kind that you usually?
Last time I didn't dunk it and it didn't get cooked, which was sad. Like this.
Oh yeah, that makes sense.
Oh, the top of the can?
Okay.
That's not bad.
At least not looking kind
Yeah,
of.
it's not bad.
Thank you, Hug.
Eating or
Calm down.
is this eating or should we smile?
I already started. Okay, 5.
Because we revived it.
What sauces are those?
Peanut sauce and soy sauce with like things.